Hey guys, we just completed another premium automation just so you guys can see that, wow, we're working on this. This is the one we completed for birthday. So whenever the system recognizes that it's one of your contacts' birthday, if you get that information through the form, okay, it's going to fire off this automation. So it's going to shoot them over a text. Boom. Hey, first name, happy birthday, enjoy some cake. If you need a trusted locator or buyer's agent, we're just a call or a text away. Great specials this time of year. Okay, then it's going to send them an email. And the email says happy birthday, take a cheat day and enjoy some cake. And then it's going to send them your calendar link to book directly inside of IQ and then remind them about the referral. Okay. And then pre-populate your phone number that you saved into the settings. An exciting part is this voicemail that we've equipped everyone with. So we've made this voicemail pretty general, so you don't have to change it if you don't want to. It's kind of broad. So this one says happy birthday, and we use this the same way we teach in the onboarding course and through the Locator Academy by using Play HT, the AI. Okay, so this is what it sounds like.
Hey, it's Jennifer from the apartment locating company you booked with. I just wanted to reach out and wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're having an amazing day. Just a quick reminder that we texted and emailed you a link to book a call with us if you ever need help finding an apartment or a new home to purchase. We're always here to assist you. Enjoy your special day and feel free to reach out whenever you need us. Take care.
Cool. So then that's the voicemail drop that happens on the automation. And then it waits 30 minutes here and it's going to send only if it's an appropriate time, like 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. because any later is just kind of unprofessional. Okay, so we built in a smart wait and then it's going to text them this that says, oh, one more thing. And then it reiterates the referral. Send us a referral and we'll give you $50 after they lease. So you take it out of the commission. And then it says you can share this number with your friends. Okay, so that is the automation there that we've completed. More instructions and more information on automations when we finish the premium automations by this Wednesday. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.